So, core principle number one, Flak Jacket Mindset. So, Flak Jacket Mindset is something that I took from the Marine Corps as my time as a reconnaissance Marine. And the short history of it is my senior leaders, the sergeants that I worked with, the officers that we worked with, we used to talk about this because we would literally put flak jackets on when we would go to combat, and when Marines or anyone that were deployed overseas, it was standard wear, standard gear, whether you wore with the chest protector and the bulletproof plate that was on the front and the back, so it protected the vital area. So if you got shot at, it wouldn't pierce your vitals, so you could still, if you got shot in the chest, you wouldn't die. It wouldn't pierce, the bullet wouldn't go through it, and you can continue to fight. And then it just basically left the majority of your areas exposed, that if you did get hit, you would survive, or you would be able to be, patched up and get back in the fight. So when it comes to the mindset around it, it meant that, hey, we can take shots, we can work, we can take obstacles, we could take bad days, we could have things happen, but we had body armor on that protected us from dying, from taking, getting put out of the fight permanently. We could take shots, still survive, get patched up, and come back to the fight. So what we do here at Gallaher Fleet Solutions is we use the flak jacket mindset as, hey, we're going to put some body armor on. We're going to get obstacles. We're going to be shot at us, whether it's through the marketplace, from competitors, through obstacles, through vendors, customers, team members. Sometimes we shoot ourselves in the foot, and we have obstacles that we're going to go about it. Like, business is hard. What we do is hard work. It's complicated, and it's going to be one of those things that it's not going to be clear cut and easy, but we have our body armor on, and we put our mindset of like, hey, it's going to be hard. I'm going to get obstacles, but I'm going to overcome these obstacles, and we're going to still win the battle. Flak Jacket Mindset is about putting on that body armor, acknowledging it's going to be hard, grabbing the men and the women to the left and right of you, going to battle, knowing you're not going to die, you're not going to get out of the fight permanently. You just got to overcome these obstacles to win the battle. So, core